afternoon and welcome to this first edition of Erasmus TV News. In Czech Republic, everyone is talking about it, the particular protest of Esther Kaprankova, politician member of the opposition party Free Citizens. She has protested against increasing of taxes in Czech Republic in a very particular way. In fact, she has made a video in which she naked herself completely. The video, uploaded on YouTube in a few days, has become viral. We have asked to some people who study or work in Prague what they think about this kind of protest and if, in their opinion, it has had some effects or consequences.
I think that is a good reason to protest, but I don't agree with the way she did it. And also I think that in Italy this kind of action wouldn't have a big effect on people.
Yeah, I understand why they do it naked because it's to have some attention, but I don't think it's a good idea to be naked to speak about politics. It's blocking the message.
I don't agree with this kind of protest because I think that it is not really valid and efficient because I think that this kind of protest is only for publicity and can't really hurt the sensibility of people. Like a real verbal protest.
It probably had an effect and people are talking about it, but in the long time you will see what it makes and what's it about, the difference it can make. If we had like something like that in Turkey, I think people would talk about it, like it would be heard a lot, but it wouldn't change shit actually, you know, because it's the actions people do.
I don't have a bad opinion about this video because I think that she decided to use her body for a right aim for her, and she decided without compulsions, without restriction.
The video is provocative and it's using old stereotypes, and the political party is speaking just about no solidarity and spreading no solidarity in the society. So I think the video, the spot is really provocative, is made well, but on the other side is looking just for the simply answers. So I would like to say that it's focused on young people, and maybe the young people will follow it, but it's from the political question it's not good.
It's all for today. Thanks for joining us. Nerds and Son, DJ Erasmus, Prague.